Good morning, everybody. In this quick video, we're going to show you how to create room favorites using the new Control 4 app for Composer 3.0. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to go ahead and open up the app. And then if you press the room icon at the top, select Edit. And now you're going to scroll down and you can find rooms that you want to favorite. So in this one, it's going to be the pool and the exercise room. Once I'm done, I hit OK. And then go back. Now I can just simply swipe left or right between each of the 4 rooms. This is really convenient if you find that you're using 2 or 3 rooms in the house a lot more than others. You can just simply swipe left or right to scroll through each rooms rather than going grade room, finding the kitchen, and changing. We find this very helpful. If you found this video helpful, please hit like or subscribe and have a great day.